Hello friends, today we are going to see some biology questions and answers. I hope that this video will help you a lot. So let's get started. We will ask 15 questions. Each questions have 5 points. Note down your points to get proper results. So let's begin. First question, taking the food into mouth is called A. Digestion, B. Ingestion, C. Defecation, D. Assimilation. Correct answer is B. Ingestion. Second question, what is the nature of saliva? A. Acidic, B. Basic, C. Neutral, D. Both A and B. Correct answer is A. Acidic. Third question, which is most important organ of respiratory system of human? A. Heart, B. Nose, C. Alveoli, D. Lungs. Correct answer is D. Lungs. Fourth question, glands which have ducts is known as A. Exocrine glands, B. Endocrine glands, C. Adrenaline glands, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Exocrine glands. Fifth question, how many bones are there in exoskeleton? A. 70, B. 80, C. 90, D. 100. Correct answer is B. 80. Sixth question, which is most developed part of human brain? A. Cerebellum, B. Cerebrum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. Correct answer is B. Cerebrum. Seventh question, what is approximate weight of kidney? A. 120 grams, B. 140 grams, C. 160 grams, D. 180 grams. Correct answer is B. 140 grams. Eighth question, the discovery of blood circulation was done by A. William Hugwills in 1698, B. William Harvey in 1628, C. William Wordsworth in 1668, D. William Bontic in 1648. Correct answer is B. William Harvey in 1628. Ninth question, how many liters of blood is present in human body? A. 4 to 5 liter, B. 5 to 6 liter, C. 6 to 7 liter, D. 7 to 8 liter. Correct answer is B. 5 to 6 liter. 10th question, who coined the term cell? A. Robert Brown in 1663, B. Robert Hooke in 1665, C. Judge Mendel in 1880, D. Charles Elton in 1927. Correct answer is B. Robert Hooke in 1665. 11th question, who is the father of taxonomy? A. Robert Harding Whittaker, B. Herbert Copeland, C. Carl Linnaeus, D. All of these. Correct answer is C. Carl Linnaeus. 12th question. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of iron? A. Cancer. B. Pneumonia. C. Smallpox. D. Anemia. Correct answer is D. Anemia. 13th question. RBC in human body is reduced 5% during A. Sleeping. B. Walking. C. Reading. D. Playing. Correct answer is A. Sleeping. 14th question. Which vitamin is helpful in making clots of blood? A. Vitamin B1. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin C. Correct answer is C. Vitamin A. 15th question. Landsteiner won Nobel Prize for discovering blood groups in which year? A. 1900. B. 1979. C. 1930. D. 1950. Correct answer is C. 1930. Are you ready to see your results? Result. Correct answers. IQ scores 0 to 15 is below average. 16 to 30 is average. 31 to 45 is higher than average. 46 to 60 is smart. 61 to 75 are genius. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then do hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for daily notification and also press the bell icon. And do share your results in comment area and your experience. Thank you.